Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make the most delicious zebra cake. This is very easy to make, it's simple, but yet it turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add in eggs. So I went in by adding in sugar bit by bit whilst mixing until I added in all the sugar. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So after adding in all the sugar, you have to whisk it for at least 10 minutes, from 7 to 10 minutes. You do not want to add in the sugar all at once. Please do it bit by bit until you get to this consistency. I then added in oil, milk, and then I'll stir this till well combined again before moving on with the rest of the ingredients. After, I'll add in vanilla extract and a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. I'll sieve in baking powder and flour. Please make sure you sieve in your flour as demonstrated in the video. So I'll sieve in the flour, but the flour I didn't add it to it all at once, bit by bit. I used 2 cups. So first one cup I mixed until well combined, and then I added in the rest of the flour again. So make sure you do it bit by bit and then stir it until well combined. So after I added in the rest of the flour, I used the machine to make sure everything is well combined. You're looking for a smooth batter, just like so, and then it should be thick. This should be the consistency. As you can even tell, once I use the spatula, it even draws a ribbon. That means you're at the right point. So I kept it aside, and then in the different bowl, I sieve in cocoa powder. Make sure you sieve your cocoa powder. I then added in milk, and then I'll whisk or I'll stir until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, I'll add in half of the batter. Make sure you divide it into 2 equal parts. You can weigh it or just eyeball it like I did mine. After, stir it and make sure everything is well combined. So the consistency, it should be the same as the white one. The chocolate one and the white one should be the same consistency. If not, you wouldn't get to this like how I did mine. Before, make sure you line your baking pan with parchment paper and then grease in before. Use the butter to grease in before scooping in the cake batter. So what I did was to scoop in about 2 to 3 cups each, 2 to 3 tablespoons each. So first the white one, and then second the cocoa one. And this bottle was Coca-Cola bottle, and then I cut the end parts and I use it for this. It's very simple, it's easy, but you can even do it without the Coca-Cola bottle. Just scoop in 2 tablespoons of the white one and then 2 tablespoons of the chocolate one. Add it to it bit by bit until you are done adding in all. So when you get to this point and you are done, remove the bottle and then just use a skewer to make a circle or a round shape, and you're good to go. This is very easy, and trust me, it's so delicious. Good or great ideas for breakfast and or even as a snack. It's very delicious. When done, bake it at 165 degrees Celsius from 20 to 25 minutes, not more than 30 minutes, or until a toothpick is inserted and comes out clean. Please remember to tap to take out any excess bubbles before putting it in the oven. And guys, just look at this. Just look at this. This came out as how I wanted. It's not only beautiful, but it turned out delicious as well. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at it. This is amazing. This is beautiful. It's moist, it's tender, and it's so delicious. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.